Meecrob.
This is a huge production here. These guys are famous. They've been on television. They've been in magazines. This is Meecrob Chung Rangwat. Chung Rangwat is the area. They make this Meecrob not as a dish to eat on the spot. Traditionally, they make them into snacks, as you'll see at the end. This here is rice vermicelli, and that's what happens. We do offer rice vermicelli at ImportFood.com. You just put it in oil and it puffs up like that instantly. And that's the basis for Mee Krob. You can see the other gentleman stirring that sauce constantly. That's in order to make it thick, thicken it up. And they just do this all day long. He dumps in the rice vermicelli that's been cooked. They pound it down, mix it up. The temperature in this place is just boiling too. This is difficult work. They keep piling it on. When it's put into little snacks, you can walk around the market. This is at a public market. You can walk around the market and just nibble on it. These are Mee Krob snacks. Here you can see their little storefront. They sell these all day long. Mee Krob is an excellent Thai recipe. We have it at ImportFood.com. You can see the recipe at the right of your screen. Thanks a lot for watching this insightful video of an interesting Thai market making Mee Krob snacks.